No matter how cold it gets, this stuff never freezes. Doesn't freeze, but pretty tough to squeeze out. A lot of you were asking, what is this stuff? Believe it or not, this stuff is just honey. Yep, just pure honey. I like to add blue, but you can add whatever flavor you like. To make the jelly honey, you just freeze it. Just make sure you put it in an empty bottle so it's easier to squeeze out. Honey is all sugar, so it doesn't freeze. But if the honey is fake, it will freeze solid. Melts in your mouth like cotton candy. A lot of ASMR creators like to gatekeep this, but it's just frozen honey. Let's make a Coca-Cola jelly bottle. First, we're gonna use this bottle cap candy. I'm using cola specifically. Now we just dissolved the cola flavor. I'm going to add some cherry Kool-Aid to make it taste like a cherry cola. I'm gonna use a dark syrup only because it already looks like soda. Now I'm gonna add some silver sprinkles to help it look fizzy. Fill up your bottle. Freeze it! 4 hours later. I love cherry cola. Oh, this is the best one. Let's make a nerds one. We're gonna use some clear corn syrup, some watermelon flavor, and obviously the nerds. Let's add the corn syrup, now the watermelon flavor. Mix that up. Now add your nerds. You can really add any tiny candy you like. Now fill up your bottle. This is gonna be a little hard. It took a while, but now let's freeze it. Okay, I froze it for 5 hours. Whoa, why is it sour? You know what? Never mind. This one's the best. Okay, let's make one with these fish gummies. Nice and melted. Now let's add some clear syrup. The gummy mixture's already getting hard. Okay, we just have to keep heating it. It's perfect. It looks shiny too. For an extra kick, let's add some gummy worm powder. This is gonna make a mess. This one came out a bit chunky. Okay, now let's see if it worked. It has a gummy texture. I love it. Did this go bad or something? Nope. Let's make a strawberry honey jelly. First, I'll add some strawberry starburst. Now that it's nice and melted, let's add some condensed milk. You know, it smells like a smoothie. Let's add Hershey's strawberry. Okay, I'm gonna use this Nesquik bottle. Now we're filling up the whole bottle with clear syrup. Shake it up. Freeze it. Did I do it wrong? I think it's solid. Seven out of 10, it's good. Let's make a blue Gatorade. Let's use some clear syrup. I'm gonna mix in this ooze tube to make it blue raspberry. Mix that up. I'm gonna use a little bit of blue food coloring, just to darken the color. Now to make it sparkle, I'm gonna use some sanding sugar. Silver looks best. Now we fill up the whole bottle. We're gonna freeze it for 4 hours. Kinda looks like it froze solid. Nope, it's good. Let's make another extremely sour one. Let's add some lemon, some lime, some sour gummy worm powder. Mix it all up. Perfectly orange. Fill up your bottle. Now fill it to the top with clear syrup. Freeze it. 4 hours later. My mouth is already watering. A lot of you wanted me to try and make this honey jelly out of this pancake syrup. I mean, it should work, right? Sugar is the main reason this stuff turns into jelly when frozen. And this syrup is mostly all sugar, so I think it'll work. We have to fill it up to the top. Okay, let's see how long it takes to freeze. Okay, so it took a bit longer than I thought. I left it in the fridge for 8 hours. So basically, overnight. I'm already sugared out.